This is Saga of the Lost Parrot 101. This child is that far off the ground, and we are trying to get that parrot, if you just saw it flapping. Now, critical thinking 101A. How does one get down from this tree, off this dead branch? B. How do I not scare said parrot once shaking said tree? I believe I do not wish to know the answer of both A and B, and I feel like I should have video proof that human beings are, yes, just that stupid. Now, this has been going on for 2 hours, and we are now hitting the parrot in order to get it down. Yes, we are hitting the parrot. I am not making this up. This is actually happening in a small central Pennsylvania town, and the parrot now faces life imprisonment. Well, the tool has been abandoned by our hero. So this life imprisonment, I'm wondering if I should call, I don't know, an authoritative figure, because I believe that this child is going to die. We are now on minute 2. Oh, we're now shaking the branch that you are sitting on. You have seen this from every cartoon if you are a fan of Warner Brothers. Believe Wile E. Coyote is now wearing a backwards red hat, a white shirt, and black pants. And death will ensue. I'm not sure what the point. Once he has said bird, what do you do with the bird? I don't believe I can zoom in on this device. I'm going to attempt to. No, I cannot. So this is as close, and the bird is now beneath the gentleman's foot. We have a new development in the case of the bird, to where I believe that this gentleman, I will call Wile E. Coyote, again, that far off the ground, I'd say 35 to 40 feet. Sorry for the shaky video, but it's 3 o'clock in the morning for anyone that works nights. It's only noon. We're quickly developing news breaking story, as I believe the bird is secure while out on a limb 40 feet from Earth's grasp. Oh, oops, sorry. Okay, so the bird has been taken alive. We have confirmation that the bird, again, has been taken alive. This is live breaking video. And now he's going to put the ladder back up. So the ladder is now going back up to the tree. Let me show you how tall this ladder is. That is the ladder that he has to get to. Do you understand? Okay, so that is my son. He is commentating this video, live video. Okay, there's a bird inside the gentleman's shirt. I'm not sure if he is going to survive. Oh, and the bird is now outside of the shirt. And the bird has escaped. I'm not sure. No, he is just on the shoulder of the gentleman.
I didn't try.
I don't know if you can see this. There. This is now 5 minutes into the epic rescue of the bird. Oh. Now it's going to be interesting. I may see a death today. I am not positive. That's actually quite ambidextrous. Let's go to camera 2. Okay, there is a video. I'm sorry, there's he may make it. He may make it, everyone. This may be the most epic rescue. Steven Seagal, eat your heart out. This is or Samuel L. Jackson, no longer snakes on a plane, but birds in a tree. So he's slowly descending to the earth. This gets even better. Now if he falls, it's only mild contusions. The bird seems to be as safe as can be. Again, this is live action television. I am not making this up. So I did see that the profanities that this young lady was screaming at the bird was not enough. They needed to bring in the professional. Sorry, that was the curtain. And we have the tearful reunion of the woman and the bird. They made it, everyone. It has been done. They said it couldn't happen. They were wrong. Thank you for joining me on this epic adventure.